Hello friends, almost we complete all tabs in Microsoft Excel. Now we are on last tab which is View tab. चलो तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो का मेन कंटेंट मैंने इस इमेज से क्लियर किया है जो हम आगे देखने वाले हैं। इसी तरह चैनल पे बने रहने के लिए और एक्सेल के कुछ न्यू ट्रिक्स सीखने के लिए जो आपको फ्यूचर में एक्सपर्ट बना देंगे, तो नीचे दिए गए बेल बटन को हिट कीजिए और चैनल के अपडेट लीजिए। Let's know the main purpose of View tab. The Excel View tab controls how your spreadsheet looks, letting you switch between normal, page layout and page break preview, show or hide grid lines, heading, formula bar, zoom in out, use freeze panes, manage multiple windows and access macros, all to customize your workspace and focus on data efficiently. You can access it by clicking the tab or using the Alt plus window shortcut. View tab features are organized in way like workbook views, show, zoom, window, macros. Workbook views are distributed in 4 sub-features. Normal. Display the worksheet in the normal view. There is also shortcut to this view in bottom right corner of the status bar. Page break preview. Used for adjusting page break. There is also shortcut to this view in the bottom right corner of the status bar. Page layout. Displays the worksheet as it will appear on printed page. Display a very useful horizontal and vertical ruler, plus you can add or change headers and footers, check margins, row or column heading and scaling option, not to be confused with print preview. There is also a shortcut to this view in the bottom right corner of the status bar. Custom views. Display the custom views dialog box. There are 4 sub-features in show feature. Ruler. This will only be enabled when in page layout view. Toggle the display of the horizontal and vertical rulers. This is only available when you are in page layout view. You can change the units display from the Excel option Advanced tab, Display Ruler Units. By default, the rule display the default unit that are specified in control panel, regional settings. This unit can be either inches, centimeter or millimeters. Grid lines. They toggle the display of grid lines on the active worksheet. Provide a shortcut to Excel option Advanced tab, Display option for this worksheet show grid lines. Formula tab. Toggle the display of Formula tab. Provide a shortcut to Excel options Advanced tab, show formula bar. Toggle the display of the heading row. Provide a shortcut to Excel options Advanced tab, show row and column headers. Zoom. Displays the zoom dialog box 100%. Zoom the worksheet to 100% of its normal size. Zoom to selection. Zoom the worksheet to display just the currently selected cell. Window. There are 10 sub-features in window feature. New window. Create a new window of your current workbook. Arrange all. Tile all open windows side by side on the screen. Freeze panes. Drop down. The drop down contain the command freeze panes, freeze top row and freeze first column. Split. Split the window into multiple resizable panes which allow you to have multiple view of the same workbook. Hide. Hides the current workbook or window. Unhide. Displays the unhide dialog box allowing you to unhide a workbook or window. View side by side. View two workbook side by side to allow you to compare their content. Synchronous scrolling. Synchronize the scrolling of two windows so they can scroll together. The view side by side option must be switched on for this command to be enabled. Reset window position. Reset the window position of the two windows being compared so that they share the screen equally. The view side by side option must be switched on for this command to be enabled. Switched window. Drop down. The drop down contain a list of all the workbook or window that are currently open. Last sub-feature is macros. Macros. Button with drop down. The button is a shortcut to view macros which displays a macro dialog box displaying all the available macros. The drop-down contain command, view macros, record macro, and